friends, it's Anna here. Today I have a layout for Hip Kit Club created with August Kids, and I am starting with stamping this pretty stamp set from Embellishment Kit over the white cardstock. I am using archival ink, color black jet, I think. I am using it because it's kind of a worn out. It doesn't give this very black impressions. That's why I like the effect it's creating. And you can use any other black ink you have in your stash. It doesn't have to be this one because we won't color it, so it doesn't have to be waterproof or any other media proof. Just regular black ink. This stamp set is from Crate Paper Willow Lane collection, designed by Maggie Holmes, and I love this collection, like all the Crate Papers collection, I would say. I'm always amazed by the florals that are added into the Crate Paper collections. As you can see on the background, I tried some different colors too, because I wasn't sure which direction to go. I wanted to use this stamp set, and this is what I knew, but I didn't know if I want to use colorful images or black images, because, well, I had the idea first about stamping background, but then somehow I changed my mind and I went in a different direction. And all I am doing right now is fussy cutting all the stamped images, the bigger flowers, the smaller flowers, and the leaves. And I will skip this part on this video. You don't have to see me cutting all the pieces. And this is how they are look. I had to stand and close the shutters because the sun was already looking into my craft room. I picked this picture of my daughter Maya. She was a little bit more than a year old on this picture, and she was playing. She looks kind of sad on this picture, but she wasn't at all. She just didn't want to smile to the camera. She was more curious of what I am holding, and she wanted to take my phone to check it. And I am going to create this fun design over the white background. I am using the cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit, and I am using watercolors from Pink Fresh Studio. They are from the previous month, from July, color add-on kit, because I like this color combo. The colors are, I don't remember the name, let me check them. The blue one is called Sky Blue, the yellow one is called Sunshine. And I will be also adding a shimmers paint. It's not a shimmers, I think it's colorings or inklings. This is from shimmers, and this is from August Kit. And first I was going to add it with a plastic bag, but then I thought that it would be much faster if I would just add stains over the paper. When it's all dry, and you have to be sure that your background is dry, I also added a few black drops of Indian ink. It's just a very cheap Indian ink from my local art store. It costs like $0.50, I think, and it's very useful. And after I have my background dry, I am building up the paper composition. This is something I think I haven't done for a while, because I tend to create more simple pages lately with less layers of paper, but I was missing this, thrilling playing with papers, and I wanted to create something more behind my photo. I cut one of the papers into stripes. This is the paper from Willow Lane collection. I'm using all of the papers are from Willow Lane collection. You can find them all in the main kit. And I am designing how I would like my layers to look like. I am going into this blue-yellow color combo, and as you can see, I also added some of the flowers, and now I'm going through ephemera pack to check if I would find something useful from my page. I'm working with layers that are not glued down yet. I will do this off the camera because it takes a while and it's not anything special and useful to watch. I found this yellow tag that I'm going to use. I will also use one of those cute creatures. I don't remember. I think it was Panda that I used at the end. And I'm also liking this clock. This is this kind of a cuckoo clock. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well. I'm not sure if it's the same name in English than it's named in Polish. But it has this little bird inside that comes out every hour. Sorry for the lightning. The sun already went down, and somehow I didn't thought of closing the blinds more. So I hope you will be still able to see what I'm making. I glued down all the layers of the camera, adding some dimension using pieces of cardboard and 3D foam squares. And now I'm adhering more stamps, stamp prints, to add a little bit of, how do I say it, contrast to my page, because I like how they look, and I'm going to use more of them than I already glued down. I will be also adding some other bits and pieces from the kits, and I love this creature. Really, I think they are the cutest ones in all of the collections. I know that some of you may not like them because they kind of a vintage type, but I am in love, and I always need elements like that to use with my pictures, because I have two girls, so they are the perfect images to work with. And now I am adding a title. I already added "You Are" on this black element behind next to my picture, and I was going "You are an apple of my eye," but then I changed my mind and I decided to use a cutie pie, because apple of my eye were too long. So I changed my mind. It's not about the title, it's more about the picture and how cute she is on this photo. This is this kind of a layout you make only because you like the photo, not because you want to record any special memory. And yay, the lighting is finally how it should be. Sorry for the inconvenience. And now I am adding those transparent stickers. They are black over the transparent background, and they look perfect over the white background, the light background. So my layout is a very good one to use them. And I'm searching for matching inscriptions, and basically they all match because they are all about cuteness and love and family and beautiful things, which my daughter for sure is. And now I am going through this Amy Tangerine cute embellishments. I love those bows. They are from Shine On collection, the newest one. Sorry, I forgot the name of the newest collection. And those plastic hearts are also from this collection, and I love how they look. They are this kind of a puffy hearts, and I can imagine that making a hole in one of them and adding them on the string to the album would create this very fun element that is kind of an interactive. And I know I already have a lot on my page, but I'm still wondering maybe I should add more, and this is something that I always do. I always add much elements, and I always think that I should have add more. This is kind of a trap when you create, because you can never stop making the page. And my page is done. I splashed it with a little bit of Heidi Swapp butter mist, because this is the perfect shade of yellow I have ever seen in every mist collection. And that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you can find it inspiring. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check Hip Kit Club site for more inspiration and for those gorgeous kits. Bye bye!